In today's video, we start our morning in Japan with a relaxing and delicious breakfast experience at an Appa hotel, enjoying a wide variety of food that makes it feel like a 5-star start to the day. It's our very first breakfast in Japan, and we're excited to try everything from Japanese dishes to simple comfort food while soaking in the travel vibes. After breakfast, we head out to explore the streets of Osaka in the morning light. The city feels calmer compared to the night, but still full of life and hidden beauty. We go on a walking adventure searching for interesting wall art, unique street corners, and the famous cat alley that many travelers talk about online. The journey turns into a fun exploration as we wander through quiet back streets, discovering small surprises along the way. From colorful graffiti walls to narrow alleys with a local charm, Osaka always has something unexpected to offer. Watch it till the end to see whether we actually manage to find the mysterious cat alley and what surprises Osaka has waiting for us. A morning walk through the streets of Osaka feels completely different from the night scene. The city is calmer, cleaner, and more relaxed, with soft sunlight shining on quiet roads and local shops slowly opening for the day. We start our walk early, moving away from the busy areas like Dodonbori and into the smaller neighborhood streets. Instead of neon lights and crowds, we see bicycles parked outside homes, salarymen heading to work, and small cafes preparing fresh coffee and breakfast. We are now on a mission in the streets of Osaka, searching for the famous cat alley that everyone online keeps talking about. The search for cat alley feels like a real adventure. Every corner looks interesting. Old vending machines, tiny shrines, street art on random walls, and unexpected hidden spots that feel like secrets of Osaka. We keep turning into different alleys, checking every direction, hoping to spot cat murals, cat statues, or anything related to the mysterious cat street we saw online.
你不是说你像日本人哦？